That is one of the biggest mistakes that we as entrepreneurs make. This is the people who are the most successful are often the people who are the most bored, right? And let me explain why he said that and what he meant by that and how this has to do with one of the biggest mistakes that entrepreneurs make that I've made a bunch of times myself. As entrepreneurs, part of the fun of what we do is figuring stuff out, right? We get this idea in our head, and if you're anything like me, you've got more ideas than you know what to do with, right? And so you get this idea in our head, and part of the excitement of being an entrepreneur is taking that idea and bringing it to fruition, right? Building it and seeing it come to life and all that stuff. That's exciting, right? It's fun. And then we launch it, and I've done this a million times. I've launched something and it works, and now that I've taken it from idea to actually existing, right? To actually working and sticking money in my bank account, now that I've accomplished that, my brain's like, good job, Devon, you figured it out. Let's go do something else. Have you ever done that? Have you ever figured out how to make something work and then be like, great, now I'm gonna go do something else because I figured this one out? That is one of the biggest mistakes that we as entrepreneurs make. We find something that works and then we stop doing it because we already figured it out. That's what this gentleman meant by the most successful people are often the most bored. Because what really smart and successful people do is they figure out what works and they just keep doing that shit. That's it.